What is up, YouTube? In today's video, we will be unboxing a new LEGO set. So here we have the new Dragons Rising cart, Lloyd's car. Let's see here. Oh, he was going everywhere. Motor, stickers. Got the bags. Oh, we're gonna go ahead and build this, and then we'll react to it once fully built. Alright, we finished the build, and here we have it, Lloyd's car. 2 bags. This thing looks sick with, you can put swords on it, or like some weapons for your character to carry. Got these horns, and these, like, kind of looking scythes. Then the coolest part about it, you can pull it back. You just, like, pull it back. You can literally just, like, move it. Then it comes with these cool little fires. Which I don't know what you can do with. And we got this dragon character who looks absolutely sick with this silver sword. This armor is really cool because you can take the dragon mask off and you still have that armor, which goes really good with the mask. Got the horns in the back, and you got some of you can probably put stuff on the back. And then we have Lloyd. You can have 2 different faces. His normal face, can't see there, and his other, okay, kind of like power face. So I would rate Lloyd a 6.5. 7.9. These fires, a 2.1. These fires. And then this car would be a definitely 8.9. I'm gonna go 8.9, yeah. 8.9 for this car. And I would rate this whole build a 9.7 for everything in it. 9.7. It's really good. Get 2 minifigs, a vehicle that you can pull back, and then these fires. And then these fires. Right. Well, that's my rating on this set. Hope you like it. If you have any, like, suggestions on what you would rate it, leave it down in the comments below. Nice set. And YouTube, out.